Visual Earwax Clean Tool. Here's the outside of the box. It says supports Android and PC. However, more specifically, it's Android phones and then Windows and Mac laptops. So inside you'll find a plastic bag with all your attachments and also a cloth to clean the actual tool itself. And then right here is the actual tool with the camera just on top here, touch to the side. And then you'll find your manual. On the manual, it details the app in which you got to download for it to work on phones, and then also how to connect it on Windows laptops and Mac laptops. You also find in the manual what each attachment does and how to assemble according to the attachment you want to use. In this plastic bag, we'll now take out the attachments and I'll show you what each do. White cloth for cleaning. You got these two little black bits to hold these hooks in which you would then use to get some earwax out. This would then slot into here and then slide onto the tool, and then you'd be able to then use it as so. Then you have these two metal rods which help extract the earwax out of your ear. Yep, so you got two of those. You got the protective sleeve, and then we have the plastic scraper. Finally, we have the final attachment, which is just a reflector, which then allows you to see in other parts of your ear, which otherwise wouldn't be visible with just the regular camera. Okay, and then we have the tool itself, which is just here. You'll find that it's got three types of connections. So you got USB, and you can flick this down, and then you have micro USB. And then once you have this down, you're then able to then plug this into the back of this port, and now you have USB-C. So you got three types of connections. You'd use this for Mac and your phones. You'd use micro USB for phones and other devices. Then you have USB, so then you'll be able to then plug it into your laptop. So you have three of these different connections. Quite cool the way it does this, and bang, you're having a good time. Okay, I actually got my Mac here, so we'll plug this in and I'll show you guys how it works. Now that we're on the Mac, all we have to do is simply take this down, plug it in the back of here, and then plug it into our USB-C port right on the side here. Just plug it in. Bam. Okay, specifically on the Mac, you don't actually need to install any sort of software or go on any sort of website. All you have to do simply is open up either QuickTime or Photo Booth. So we'll go on ahead and launch Photo Booth. So now it will open up to my regular camera. So all we have to do is now switch it to the earwax tool, which we will find right here under USB camera. So click that. And as you can see, now we're using the camera to the actual device. Everything might look blurry onto the screen, but that's because it's designed to focus onto objects that are close to it, not far away from it. This attachment on the side here that you can find along the cord allows you to dim and brighten the light on the top of the sensor. So you'll be able to see how it either gets brighter or you can make it dimmer to your liking. I'll put it in my ear right now and give you a nice little preview of what this thing can do. Hopefully it's looking all good inside. Let's see how we're tracking. And right there you can see my eardrum. Oh, yeah, it's looking quite clean, I must say. As you can see, the lights really help see deep in your ear, and you're able to really see any of that excessive earwax laying in your ear canal. But yeah, you can now get this. It's available on our website, trifectatraders.com.au, and yeah, for its low price, definitely it's a nice thing to buy and to see how your ears are tracking, because I know some of you, you guys need to check your ears, like some of you, come on, check your ears, you have to check your ears, okay? Like, we can't be having dirty ears.